Hi guys, Karen Yu here, and I'm so excited to tell you about SMDC's newly launched house and lot that is so close to Clark International Airport. It's just 10 minutes away according kay Google. Okay, 10 minutes away to Clark International Airport. Second, kapag sure buyer ka, you get 100,000 cash discount. But when you pay the reservation fee of just 20,000 pesos, a one-time reservation fee, you get to lock in the introductory pre-selling price. Ang ganda. But ang monthly down payment mo dito for 3 years is just 8,000 pesos. It starts at 8,000 pesos. Yan. Again, I'm so excited to tell you, show it to you, what this new two-story house and lot project is. Okay, so this is called Symphony Homes. It's a house and lot and more. Let me just breeze through kung anong mga amenities ang may enjoy nyo dito. While we're doing that, please close your eyes. Imagine having a two-story house and lot close to the airport. You're enjoying the cash discount. You're enjoying the monthly down payments. At this is good for your rental property business. The rental property business is what I really love because of course you get to earn. And second is, pag ayaw mo naman yun, you can use it for your own personal use. We can do both. If you're not renting it out, you can use it, or you can have this house as your retirement home. Yan. Why the retirement home? Kasi you get to enjoy the following amenities: lobby, co-working space, daycare center, especially for the kids, function halls, game room, play area. It's very relaxing. You have uh, the playroom for the kids and the playground for the kids. And how does it look like? It looks so modern. It looks like you're not in the Philippines. It's a modern architecture. Ganyan po ang itsura ng ating Symphony Homes, Homes. Sa mga gusto naman po ng detached, meron din po tayo niyan. Again, this is how it looks like. You have the end unit, the inner unit, the corner unit. Ano pang pinagkaiba nito? The floor area is the same at 48 square meters. The only difference is the lot area. Of course, if you get the end unit and the corner unit, the lot area is bigger. Okay. So how does it look like inside? Ganito po yan. This is just the showroom itself. It's not yet completed. And I'm just showing it to you. How does it look like? So you get to imagine how it is. Use your creativity. Saan ko ba ilalagay or how to decorate it. At sa mga gusto naman po ng single detached, ito ang tinatawag ng area. Ang layo po ng kapitbahay nyo. So this is good for you if you want the single detached. So ito yung mga deliverables po natin. What are you expecting na kasama sa unit nyo? So ang next na tanong will be this. How magkano ba yan? Okay, so I'm showing you a table on how much it is. The monthly down payment starts at 8,000 monthly. Merong 10, may 13. If you get a single detached, it will be 21,000 plus for 3 years. And what's good is the balance. The balance, after 3 years, you can pay it off by paying cash, bank, or you can use your pag-ibig. Ayan. Okay, so ano pang hinihintay natin? Just have two valid IDs, fill out the information sheet, prepare the reservation fee of 20,000, talk to me, talk to Karen, you, and the whole team community that is located worldwide in North America, Middle East, Europe, Oceania, and Asia. Ito po yung mga business partners natin, and we will help you, we will assist you, and we have the journey itself on how you can start from end to finish. Hindi lang yun, we will be your partners for life. Ayan. So, from from buying to earning, we make it more rewarding for you. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Message na, oh, by the way, I would like to congratulate our buyers ng Symphony Homes. Yes, napakaganda. Meron na tayong buyers agad. Ever since I posted this yesterday, meron na po tayong mga buyers. Congratulations to you at congratulations pa sa mga ating magiging future buyers. So, what are you waiting for? Message us now.